Yesterday, we had a pretty bad storm roll through and got some storm damage that we need to clean up today. A downed tree that we know of, the chicken, the black plastic that we had up. Well, it's all ripped up and everything, so I gotta take it down. And I left them pinned up so I can get that done without tripping over chickens. Oh, and by the way, we've had 3 chicks hatch last night and a few more on the way. So I will get you set up and see as I take down that black plastic. Hold on. What a mess. Ugh. Well, gotta get it cleaned up before they get out here. We've got it staked down with these boards, but they're just barely in the ground anyway. But they held the plastic good. Ugh. We're going to be building them a more permanent structure here this summer sometime. Just not right there where it's at. It'll be more out of the way. I wish I would have brought my gloves, but I didn't. Yuck. Girls out. Maybe. If I can get this door open. go. That gate is also the lid to our brooder. Okay, here in a minute I'll show you some more wind damage. We had a tree come down, well, a dead tree, behind the house here. At least it was a dead one. It was going to come down anyway, but not right at the moment. Yeah, there's the house. So, not real close to the house. But it was a good size one at the base. You can't see it, but they're pretty big. Then there's another one right there that needs to come down. But we'll get it later, as long as it don't blow down. But yeah, 40-mile-an-hour winds. Well, it was raining like crazy. It was such a mess. It even blew over 2 of our burn barrels. They were empty, but still, we had stuff flying everywhere. Well, the rain will green everything up, but yeah. If I find any more wind damage or anything, I'll bring you along. Well, no new wind damage, so that's a plus. It's still howling, so we'll see in the next couple days, but yeah. Well, I thought I'd jump on and let you know. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.